So you get your two people, they each pay 100 Rand, then you upgrade. That's the money you make, you upgrade to level 2. Right? That's what you pay to upgrade to level 2. Right? Then in your line tool, as I explained, there's gonna be 4 people. You see it? This is JC's. They each paid 100 Rand. That's JC's. Line 2. They each gonna pay 200, right? That leaves you with 800. You only pay 600 to upgrade to level 3, leaving you with 200 profit. And then your line 3 must reach level 3. Then the line 3 is gonna pay you to reach level 3. So JC's 1 to 3rd line, when they reach level 3, they're gonna pay him to get to level 3. And that's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. See? 8 times 600. And you only pay 1.5 to go to level 4. That's gonna leave you with 3 profit. And same thing for the next line.